There are so many problems with the world, but the root of all problems is greed.
Some people complain, and some people actively take steps to try and change the world. But many people just give up. They say things like, "I'm just one person. What can I do?"
Giving up is one attitude that makes certain nothing will ever change, so I believe the heart that truly wants to make a difference
Will always do that. And my brother Andy has that heart. Growing up on a farm, he came from very humble beginnings. A great marksman, a hard worker, a fully developed sense of humor, and an amazing singing voice. It takes courage to become a man, to leave your family, your father, your mother. No one wants to leave the ones they love or miss the memories they have, but sometimes you have to take the hard path to do what you believe is right. And I would have to say, becoming a Marine is the ultimate